6 months ago, global investors were writing off Indian IT as an early victim of the AI boom. Foreign capital pulled out in record amounts as the market bet that artificial intelligence would replace traditional coding and back office services. Now, that very sentiment has kind of sharply reversed. The Nifty IT index jumped over 14% in a month, reclaiming the 30,000 mark on the 28th of July. From its 52-week low of 25,699 on 1st of July, the index has surged nearly 22% to cross 31,000. The rally went well beyond the major players. Persistent Systems jumped nearly 30% from its low of 4,244 rupees per share, by the way, while HCL Tech gained over 29%. TCS rose 21%, Infosys gained 19%, Tech Mahindra rose over 14%, and Coforge gained over 17%. Now, this rebound was driven largely by a global shift in capital rather than a sudden boom in IT demand. Now, for most of 2026, investors chased AI hardware, pushing chip makers in the United States, South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan to extreme valuations. In July, that hardware trade broke down. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index dropped over 20% and South Korea's KOSPI fell similarly. Investors rotated out of expensive hardware names into undervalued cash-generating software services. 4 of the 5 largest Indian IT firms reported double-digit rupee revenue growth. TCS reported 72,275 crore rupees, up 13.9% year-on-year, with $9.5 billion in fresh deal wins. It included an $800 million contract with SKF. Infosys then posted 48,211 crore rupees, up 14% year-on-year, with $3.6 billion in large deal value and $955 million in free cash flow. HCL Tech generated 34,579 crore rupees, up 13.9% year-on-year on record bookings of $2.4 billion. However, much of this rupee growth came from currency weaknesses. So let's be quite cognizant of that. Now, the Indian rupee hit an all-time low of 96.9 per dollar on the 20th of May before recovering slightly to around 95 by early August. Now, on a constant currency basis, TCS grew just 0.4% sequentially, while real sector-wide growth averaged 2.8%. Management guidance remained quite cautious. Wipro guided for September quarter growth between 1.5% and 0.5% plus, by the way, while Infosys trimmed the top end of its fiscal year 27 outlook to 1.5 to 3%. Now, the long-term impact of AI remains the central debate for the sector, and AI work is generating direct revenue. Infosys reported that AI-linked projects make up 8.2% of total revenue. TCS reported annualized AI revenue of $2.6 billion, representing roughly 9% of its top line, up 13.6% sequentially. Now, strong cloud numbers from Microsoft Azure, up 43%, and Amazon AWS, up 37%, show that enterprise AI deployment is driving cloud usage. Now, on the negative side, brokerage firms including Jefferies warned that AI-driven automation could cause a 20% revenue deflation across global IT services between 2025 and 2030. Market experts view the current rally as a valuation reset rather than, well, a fundamental operational turnaround. Praveen Bhadada, CEO of Neoway Global, stated that quarterly numbers alone do not justify a sustained re-rating. He also said that long-term survival depends on how fast companies redesign their core business models around AI. I think that might be the operative statement. And here, of course, is the operative part of the story, the front page take. The 22% rally in Indian IT reflects a global fight to value rather than a full operational recovery. While currency weakness, padded rupee revenues, and AI projects are beginning to scale, constant currency growth remains very slow. The sector's trajectory will depend on whether these firms can build high-value AI services faster than automation shrinks traditional outsourcing contracts. But then, of course, as always, is the tradition on front page, the question. Can Indian IT services firms successfully expand their new AI revenue streams fast enough to offset the long-term pricing pressure on traditional IT contracts? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.